Follow me mode engaged. I am doing nothing with the remote. As the vehicle travels, the drone will travel. Wherever you go, the drone will follow you, Mohan. Now you can't escape from the drone. Remote is here and ground control station is with the GPS is here. I am doing nothing with the controls. Stop! Hey guys, welcome to our channel Nayak RC. It's been long time we haven't done any experiment. So since long time we were working on a option called as follow me, where a ground control station is moving and the drone should follow the ground control station. You can see remote is with me and I have some options. We'll take off the drone and keep it at some altitude, and thereafter we will let it go in option called as follow me. That's our ground control station. We have a laptop and a GPS over there. Mohan is going to sit in the vehicle and drive the vehicle, and the drone will try to follow Mohan. So that's what we are going to test. Okay, Mohan, we are going for flight. Okay, let me press the safety switch here. Okay, so ground control station is kept inside the vehicle and here is the drone. So I'm using this remote for taking off the drone. Arming. Taking off. Okay, I took off the drone and kept it at a point at hovering. So you can see I'm doing nothing. Now I'll give command to Mohan to go for a follow me mode. Let me walk towards vehicle. Wait. So you can see the drone is flying over there. Remote is with me. Ground control station. Oh, by the way, that's my plane. It's a solar operated plane. Right now the condition is not so good, so it's not operating. Give it a little push, Mohan. Propeller, little push. It's a solar operated. You can see now it's rotating. Okay, that's our ground control station. Okay, you can see drone is still flying. Okay, follow me mode engaged. I am doing nothing with the remote. You can see the drone started traveling towards vehicle. As the vehicle travels, the drone will travel. I'm doing nothing with the controller again. You can see drone is trying to fly as the vehicle goes. Okay, see. No command input from the remote. As the vehicle goes on, drone goes on. Okay, wherever you go, the drone will follow you, Mohan. Now you can't escape from the drone. Guys, again I'll show you the follow me mode. I have the remote controller and the ground control station with the GPS is installed inside the vehicle. Okay, going. Okay, follow me mode engaged. The speed of the drone is 5 meters per second. Nice. So I'm holding this remote since longer time. I'll keep it here. So that is called follow me mode, and Mohan is the one who developed this mode in our team. It's working seamlessly. Little sun, and you can see that's a solar one. Guys, remote is here and ground control station is with the GPS is here. I'm doing nothing with the controls. I'm keeping the
put it back
in the back seat.
Yeah, okay.
And I'm driving the vehicle.
Drone is following the vehicle. You can see every certain time period the car will sense the GPS positions to drone, and based upon that latitude and longitude, drone treated that point as a waypoint, and every time period, like every second, every second 2 times it will update. That parameter is user configurable. Stop! Back! Luckily, obstacle is there. Obstacle evidence also is there. Luckily, it is self-protected. For obstacle evidence, we used LiDAR sensors. Okay.
Let me show you something here again. Now let's land it. Mohan took the controller and is physically landing it. Landed, disarm. So that's our drone. So that is follow me mode. You might have seen this mode in DJIs and other flight controllers, other drones. But coming to non-commercial and experimental or service-based drones, you won't have this feature. If you want this feature in some of your drones or you have any application, do let us know. We will support you and we'll give you the best outcome. Okay, now so we are dismantling it. Okay, experiment success, Mohan.
Yeah.
So all credits to you.